Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to quickly and easily turn a PLR video into either an ebook or a book so that you can sell it on Amazon KDP. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, have you smash that like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Okay, now in this part of the video, we're going to be having a look at the PLR license. I'm just going to quickly bring that up. Okay, now here's the license just here. Now all we need to do is have a look over here. Can be sold, can be used in personal use, can be packaged with other products, can modify and change the sales letter, can modify and change the main product. That is what we're looking for. If it says yes, we can do that, then that is fine to do. Now what we're looking at here is YouTube SEO. Now this one comes in two parts. Now it's got 4 videos in each part, but that's okay because they're just a continuation of the same course. Now they also supplied us with MP3s, which are beautiful for what we want to do. However, what we really want to do is have a look at the videos. So we can just open that up for 1 second. I know for a fact the very first one is just a PowerPoint video. And this particular one here will just be going from one slide to another, which makes it easy when you're doing your introduction chapter. The next one is in fact a little bit trickier because it actually has other things to it as well. So what you're going to need to do is go over to your video editing software, and this is where you're going to have to do a bit of mucking around. Let's go and have a look at this for 1 second. Now as you can see, I'm going through here and this is all about the Instant Pot. Now he's gone up and looked up Instant Pot because he's an Instant Pot user. Now my suggestion would be is make this as big as possible so as you can have a reasonably large image. Now what I also suggest you do is if you can get hold of Faststone Capture, it's only going to cost you $20 US dollars and you have it for life. Now what you can do is grab hold of this particular one just here and then take it up to the corner of this image just here, drag it down, drag it across like you would if you were filming a video, and then just take an image of that. And then you have it, just shrink that down, it goes straight into the editor usually. And there you have a beautiful little picture that you can now use as a part of your ebook. Now my suggestion would be, any part that he's speaking about specifically, then you need to take an image of that so as the reader can follow along. And that's not a hard thing to do. You then save this in a particular folder, maybe do it image 1, image 2, image 3, etc. Now what's the next part we need to do? Well, the next part we need to do is we need to be able to turn the video into a written Word document. And to do that, it's a very simple process. Now if you have been a subscriber to my channel for any length of time at all, you'll have heard me speak about a software called Otter.ai. And that's where we're going to be heading straight over to right now. Now for the speedy convenience, I have already uploaded these onto it and they're all ready to go. But to be able to do this, all you really need to do, now just to let you know that Otter.ai is a transcription tool and they allow up to 10 hours worth of transcribing before you have to pay for it. Now my suggestion would be use this opportunity while you got it for free to go and upload all these videos or videos of your own, and hopefully there won't be 10 hours worth of videos. So what you can do is you go over here to import, you can go over here to browse file, then all you need to do is choose a video, upload it onto it, and we'll just choose this one. We're not going to let it finish, we're going to just cancel it off, and once it's finished it'll say done and then you'll be right to go. So we're just going to get rid of that because we already have it, we don't need it again. So as you can see, 01 YouTube SEO tip. Of course this is already ready, so let's just click on that one. And as you can see, we're going to just quickly turn this on. and we're going to then hit edit. So we're going to hit edit for one moment, and that will allow us to edit. Now, I've already changed a few things around in here, and we're just going to take this down to the section that we're going to be needing to go to, so as we can continue on with the editing process. Alright, welcome back. Now, as we've just found where I'm looking for, there goes video number 2. You can say chapter number 2. It's going to be about competitive research, or in other words, researching your competitors. Then you can go through, and you just go through as you go, and you go, every time you see it where it says video number 3, you can go chapter number 3, etc. You can go through and just change it up so as it looks like it's part of an ebook. And you're speaking about being a part of an ebook because you're talking about the various chapters. So that's what you do to start off with. So once you've done that, you can now proceed to upload it or download it to your desktop. Now I'm just going to quickly go through and edit this chapter, and we're going to continue on from there. Okay, now that that's done, as you can see, all we have to do now is hit done, and that's fully edited. I'm happy with that. So what we need to do now is I'm going to just go here. I'm now going to be going export as text. Now I can choose the type of text I want it to be exporting as. I'm going to be exporting this as a docs text, so I'm going to leave it at that. And we're going to hit, one thing I don't want to do is include a speaker's name or timestamps, because timestamps just slow the process down. I don't want to include highlights or photos. Well, I could include photos. Actually, I might include photos. Merge name of speakers. Okay, so that's all I'm going to do for now. And we're going to now download this. And I want to put that in a particular area on my desktop. So I'm just going to put that on my desktop. And we're going to call this one YT SEO Chapter 1. Okay, so we can now save that to my desktop, and it's going to be saved there. And that's essentially how you do your first part. You can create like a folder if you wish to, and you can do all that. Now once you've gone through all the videos, and you've uploaded all the videos that you want to upload, and you've gone through and you've checked them all out, and you've brought them in and you've changed them up, it's just a matter of then going over, creating a folder. So that is essentially how you can quickly and easily turn this into an ebook or into a book of some kind. Once you've done all that, it's literally just a matter of compiling it all together, getting all the images together, creating your cover, creating your introduction, your conclusion if you wish to. And if you want to spin it, I also have QuillBot, link to QuillBot down below if you want to use that. And you can spin it to make it more unique to you. And just in case anybody else has done something very similar, I would strongly suggest that you get this and you spin it so as it sounds unique to you. Especially if you spin it and you use the spun article to create the ebook, because then it's 100% unique to you. And you not only have yourself a new little course, but you also have a physical book to go along with an ebook if you choose to go that way. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, and while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below to let me know what you think of this video. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.